how to connect PayPal to Gumroad. Here's how it works. Once you sign into your Gumroad account, you want to scroll down until you see your profile icon. Click on it in the bottom left corner and then select settings. From here, we will need to navigate to payments. So click on payments. And first you should be able to see payout method, bank account. But if you scroll down, you will see PayPal. Basically, your payments will be immediate. And these are the countries in which PayPal payments are not supported. If you are in a country which supports PayPal payments on Gumroad, you will first need to have your account marked as compliant, so basically a verified account. You must have earned at least $100, so you will need to have set up products and then earned $100, and you must have received at least one successful payout, which basically means you need to have connected your bank account previously and you need to have received money to it. If you meet this criteria, then all you need to do is to click on connect with PayPal. And once you click on connect with PayPal, it is just going to ask you to sign in and authorize. And once you have authorized, then you will have successfully connected PayPal to Gumroad. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.